Welcome. If you're looking to enjoy a smoother experience on X, formerly known as Twitter, by disabling the data saver feature on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step to turn off data saver using the latest update, so you can view images and videos in higher quality, without restrictions. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side menu and find the More icon. This icon usually appears as 3 horizontal dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Accessibility, Display, and Language. Click on this section to expand more options related to how X looks and works for you. Next, locate and click on Data Usage. Here, you'll find several settings that control how much data X uses while you browse. Find the option labeled Data Saver. If this feature is enabled, it will limit the quality of images and videos to help save data. To disable Data Saver, simply click the switch or uncheck the box next to Data Saver. Once you do this, X will stop reducing the quality of your media, and you'll be able to enjoy everything in its full resolution. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off data saver on X for your PC. Now, your feed will load images and videos in the best quality available, giving you the full experience the platform has to offer. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of X. Enjoy your upgraded browsing experience.